Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Chetna Patel from LP Savani Group of School. Now students, in this particular session we are going to start with a new chapter, as you can see over here, from the diary of Annie Frank. Now diary entry is one of your writing skill, where we have already discussed the format, how we are supposed to do it and all. Fine. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the diary of Annie Frank. Now before we go to the main chapter, here you can see the introduction of Annie Frank is given over here. Okay, so let us go with the introductory part. NLC Mary Annie Frank, 12 June 1929, February March 1945, was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Her family had to move to Amsterdam after the Nazi gained power in Germany, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. As persecution against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed. Betrayed, that means cheated, and transported to the concentration camp system, where Annie died of typhus. Typhus is an infectious disease, so where you have the symptoms are you have a fever, you feel very drowsy, headache and all. So she died in Belsen within the days of her sister Margot Frank. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find that her diary had been saved. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took actions to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. The diary was given to Annie Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the event of her life from 12 June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. There have been several films, television, and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary, described as the work of a matured and insightful mind. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life. Intimate means very close. Under Nazi occupation, Annie Frank has become one of the most renowned, that is well known and discussed, of the Holocaust victims. So the diary of Annie Frank and the given extract is the most authentic works describing the atrocities committed on the Jewish during the Nazis' occupation of the Netherlands in 1940s. It also provides an intimate account of the daily life that her small groups led in hiding in Amsterdam. Her frankness, honesty, and sincerity of descriptions of her parents, friends, and teachers make her writing the most important document of the Holocaust period. Okay, now first try to understand what do you mean by the word Holocaust. Holocaust, also known as Shoah, was the World War II genocide of the European Jewish. Between 1941 and 45, across German occupied Europe, Nazi Germany and its collaborators systematically murdered some 6 million Jewish, around 2/3 of the Europe's Jewish population. Okay, so Anne Frank were those Jewish victims who were murdered by the Nazi party during the Second World War. Okay, so that's the meaning of the word Holocaust. Fine. Now here you can see a small exercise, activity there, where you have to do match the column. At the same time, you have to choose the correct option. Okay, so when you hear this video, after hearing it, you're supposed to do this activity there. So when we'll meet during the online class, we will discuss this. Okay, is it clear? Fine. Fine. Now after the activity, yours starts with the main chapter there. Fine. Okay, now let us start with the chapter there. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on, neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musing of 13-year-old schoolgirl. Musing means thinking of. Okay, so yes, according to Anne Frank, that what she is saying is that it was very strange experience to write a diary. Why? Because first of all, she was too young. Okay, and even if she writes a diary, what she says is that nobody would read, or rather will be interesting in knowing as to what is written in the diary there. Fine. Okay. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing, and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Okay, now to get all kind of my thing off my chest means that yes, at times you feel to discard, to share something there. Okay, now this shows that Anne Frank did not have any close friend, or rather anybody with whom she can share the things and all. Okay, so she did not bother whether anybody is going to refer to her diary or read her diary, but just because she felt like doing it. Okay, and she thought that it was a greater need to get all her things, that means to share her feelings and emotions, okay, in a form of words, that too on the paper there. Okay, and that is why she decided to write a diary there. Okay, moving further with the next paragraph. Paper has more patience than people. Yes, so very apt. What does Annie mean by saying that? Annie feels that paper has more patience than people. There was a time when she was little depressed and sat at home. She doesn't want anyone else except her to read her stiff back notebook unless she finds a real friends. Okay, So she keeps a diary as she doesn't have a friend there. Okay, so that is what it says. So she says that yes, paper has more patience. Okay, see, when you communicate with the people and when you take a pause, so what the people do, they are restless and they would rather force you to hurry up or to say the things and all. But in case of paper, yes, that means the diary has more patience. Okay, it is whenever you wish you can jot it down the things and all. Fine. Okay, I thought of this saying as one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. Okay, yes, so she's sharing her experience that when exactly she felt to write a diary. Okay, so one day when she was feeling a little bit depressed, she was feeling a bit low, and she was sitting all alone at home, and as she had nothing to do and she was in a dilemma whether to stay in or to go out, so at that particular moment she decided to write a diary there. Fine. I finally stayed where I was, brooding. Yes, paper doesn't have more patience. Sorry, paper does have more patience, and since I'm not planning to let anyone else read this stiff backed notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference there. Okay, so yes, that is how when she was all alone she decided to write a diary. She thought of it. At the same time, she also made a point that she is not going to give it to anybody. Okay, and she would continue to write until she find any real friend, and it's probably won't make a bit of difference. That means anyhow, even if she finds a friend, that is not going to make any difference about her diary entry. Fine, I hope it's clear till here. Okay, now moving further. Now I'm back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. Okay, so before also we saw that she said that she needs to get the things out of my chest. That means she wants to share. That made it clear that she did not have anybody where she could express her feeling or share her feelings there. Okay, and that is why that made her, prompted means that made her to keep a diary in the first place. And she also says that I don't have a friend. That means she did not have any friend with whom she can share the things there. Fine, moving further. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. Yes, 13-year, that means she is a grown-up child, and that is a time period, I think, when you have lot of friends around you with whom you share every bit thing and all. Okay, see, when she says that she is completely alone in the world, doesn't mean she did not have family and all. No, yes, she had a very good family and all, but whom you called as a friend, that was missing there. Okay, fine. And I am not. I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts, and a good home. No, on the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. Okay, so as I said, when she says that she was all alone, that doesn't mean she was all alone, but no, she had a very good family, an elder sister, loving parents, aunts, and as she figured out, 30 friends whom she can call friends, but not the close friend. Okay, that is what they. Fine, moving further. All I think about when I am with the friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. Maybe it's my fault and that we don't confide in each other. In any case, that's just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. And this is why I have started the diary there. Okay, now what Annie Frank is trying to say is that yes, she had a loving parents, elder sister, and she also had some number, that is 30 friends whom she called it as a friend and all. But what she says is that yes, see now students, whenever you are there with your friends, what you want to do, yes, you want to have the best out of it. So she also tries to do the same thing, to spend the time, quality time, when she is with the friend there. Okay, but what problem is that is she is not able to open up herself, and that is why she is not blaming anyone, but rather she says that she is like that herself, a bit introvert. Okay, and that is why she says that we don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that because of her introvert nature she couldn't open up herself, and that due to this reason she did not have any friend whom she can call it as a close friend or a good friend there. Okay, and that is why she says that she won't blame anybody, but it was her own fault because she would not confine to each other. Confine means she couldn't open up. Okay, confine means she don't confine to within each other, means to tell the things, open up the things and all. Okay, confine means to hide. In any case, that's how just things are. Okay, and she says that yes, I cannot change my nature, that is how I am, and there is no possibility of changing it, and that is why I have started a diary there. Okay, further she says that to enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination. Okay, so in order to have a better understanding whom she is talking about, long awaited friend, it is not the human figure, but rather he is talking about a diary. Okay, I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do, but I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. Okay, so yes, so here she wanted to add up by saying that she doesn't want to jot down means note down the things or write the diary like how the other people do. Okay, but rather she really wanted to do it in a different way, and that is how she started writing diary. At the same time, it was not a mere diary but a very close friend, and that is why she also named it. Okay, so she called it this diary as her friend, and she also named by calling her Kitty there. Okay, so this is how she introduced her diary by giving a name Kitty there.